Again, I came up with the UGC NET video for your examination for paper 1 2023 UGC NET June paper. So here the question is, consider the following MS Excel spreadsheet in which the population column represents the city's population in millions of people, and here we can see that we have been given 9 city, the states respective, and the population. Okay, so now suppose a formula, if column B2 equals to D$1 SA2 and 0 is entered into the cell D2, and then the cell D2 is copied and pasted from this range to this range. When we are given like this, no, we call this as range, this format. This is a range, okay, and this from this cell to this cell. How many cells in the range? You see, the range contains 0. So the formula, this check if the state in column B matches the state in row 1. If the state matches, it returns the city name, otherwise it returns 0. If you copy this formula to the range as mentioned like D2 to F9, it will compare each city state to the states in D1, E1 and F1. Only the cities in Haryana, MP, UP will not result in 0. So these are Sonipat and Panipat for the Haryana. You can see here. So the answer will be 31D, that is 18. Now coming, which of the following statements about email security best describes email encryption? Is that it is a self-replicating program that can spread by email. This disguises the content of email messages in order to protect sensitive information. The consists of sending numerous duplicate mails to the same email address. The email header is changed so that the message appears to have come from someone else. Yes, the answer is 32B. The disguises, because email encryption is a method of disguised email content to protect it from being read by entities other than the intended recipient. So encryption works by scrambling the content of an email so that it can only be decrypted and read by someone who has a correct decryption key. Given below, there are two statements about music file. A music clip stored in MP3 format would take up more memory than the same clip stored in WAV format. Music files stored in MP3 format are of better quality than files stored in WAV format. So this type of question again. So obviously the answer is B, because both the things are false. Okay, why? Because statement 1 is incorrect, because MP3 files are compressed to be smaller in size than WAV files, okay, and the MP3 format uses lossy compression, which means some audio data is removed to reduce the file size. In contrast, WAV files are usually uncompressed and hold more data, which results in larger size. So statement 2 is also incorrect, because the quality of a WAV file is typically superior to that of an MP3, and here they have written just the opposite. Which of the following statement are accurate from this one, and we have to choose these options, and obviously the option is C, that is B and C only. Why? Because yeah, these are accurate, because web 2 that emphasizes user generated content usability and interoperability. This means they enable user to interact and collaborate with each other in a social media dialogue as creators of user generated content. So statement A is incorrect and statement B is accurate, because it is about machines understanding human language and facilitating machine to machine. Match list with list 1 with list 2. We know inkjet, LCD, LED and laser printer. So which one will be which one? I am giving you directly the answer. It is 35D. Okay, this one. That A goes with 3, B goes with 1, C goes with like D goes with 2, and D goes with 4. Atmospheric haze is mainly caused by which? Ultrafine size particulate matter, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur, ozone, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Yes, the answer is A, ultrafine size particulate matter, because atmospheric haze is primarily caused by this one, which is suspended in the air, the ultrafine particles. These particles can originate from natural source like dust or pollen, or from human activity like the burning of fossil fuel. So these particles scatter and absorb sunlight, reducing visibility and leading to the phenomena known as haze. There are two statements again given. Nanoscale metallic and bimetallic particles can efficiently remove common water pollutants like polychlorobenzene, organochloride, pesticide and halogenated organic solvents. Nanoscale metallic and bimetallic particles. So in light of the above statement, we have to choose the most appropriate answer, and that is 37C. That is statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Nanoscale metallic and bimetallic particles have been proven effective in removing various pollutants from water, so including organochlorine pesticides, polychlorinated biphenyl and halogenated organic solvents. Additionally, they are also used to reduce heavy metal contaminants like arsenic, nickel and mercury. Therefore, statement 1 is correct while statement 2 is incorrect. Given below again two statements, one is labeled as assertion A and the other B. The change in sea level at any coastal location depends on the sum of global, regional and local factor. Therefore, the global means C. So, this is the reason. I will directly tell you the answer for this one. It is the C. A is correct but R is not correct. Why? Yes, because the change in the sea level at any coastal location is indeed dependent on global, regional and local factor, making assertion A correct. However, reason is incorrect as the global mean sea level rise does not translate into a uniform rise in sea level around the world. Oxygen demanding waste are what? Yes, it is the decrease the oxygen level in water. So, oxygen demanding waste are organic materials which are decomposed by aerobic bacteria in water. As these bacteria consume the organic matter, they also consume oxygen present in the water. This can also lead to significant decrease in the oxygen level in the water, which is detrimental to other aquatic life forms. Sustainable development goal, which one is what? So, it is very easy to remember. We know for D it is 2, SDG 11 for I told you the mistake thing. For A it is 2, for second it is 3, for third it is 1 and for fourth it is 4. So the answer is D. Right? No. The answer is C. First one is 2. SDG 2 means zero hunger. Then this one is good health and well-being. Then SDG 6 is clean water and sanitation. And 11 is sustainable cities and community. Okay. So A, B, C, D. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like and share the video and do subscribe to the channel and more such videos for having. And if you need anything, you can tell in the video. And thank you for watching the video and do subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this.